everybody, it's Mrs. Wright again. Hopefully you checked out my first video, which was a blast to make. I'm working on a few things, like for example, I have to make sure I look right at the camera right there, rather than my notes down here. It's really obvious when I'm looking at my notes. Hopefully you have subscribed to the channel. If not, there's a red button right here, right down there. Yeah, press that subscribe button. And then you won't miss out on any of the new videos. Today, we're gonna build a pillow fort together. Pillow forts are great. You can customize your fort however you like. The reason we are building a fort today is to create a space where you can go read a book, listen to some music, play video games, and just overall have a space that makes you feel really good. The most important materials you're going to need are a sheet or a blanket, chairs, and pillows, of course. Now you can add some extra things if you'd like to make it more exciting, such as lighting, or stuffed animals, decorations. Are you ready? Let's get started. That's it for me today. I hope you make your pillow fort as cozy as ever. If you'd like to send me a picture of your pillow fort, you can ask your parents to email a picture to my school address, which is cwright@deltasd.bc.ca. I would love to see how your pillow fort turned out. Have fun! See you guys next time.